Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have our Rose War Panty Power. Let's get in it and see what kind of goodies I have. Rose War Panty Power is sent to me free for review, but you will always get my honest review. I'm going to try and tape this and get it up today because I just opened it up and had a nice little note from Rose War saying until October 10th, you get $19 off your first box. That's like 51%. So it would be $18.50 for your first box when you subscribe to them, which is such a good deal. It is a $37.50 box, and that includes free priority shipping. You will have monthly period products, you will have panties, you will have snacks, and you will have 3 to 4 lifestyle products in it too. So let's get in it and let me show you what we're talking about. I enjoy this box so much every month, and this is the September box. I am running behind. We had a little bit of a family emergency, but everybody is fine now. Welcome to September, box full of joy. And that is what the paperwork looks like. And inside, she says everything that could have been in the box, and then it'll be checked what you actually received. There are some consistent things every month. Every month you will receive organic period products. Unless you opt out of receiving those, you will receive your panties and you will receive snacks and lifestyle products. On the inside, that is what it looks like. It's always done up so nicely. This almost didn't fit in the box. It's so chock full of good stuff. Ooh, and right on top, snacks. And then that is what else is in there. This is a good looking box. I don't normally start with the snacks, but it was right on top, so we might need a snack. This is Popcorners, the crunchy, wholesome popped corn snack. And I received it in sea salt. That sounds deliciously delightful. I also received, one of the favorites around here, a Rice Krispie treat in birthday cake. Oh my gosh, I have never had one of those. I bet that is fantastic. And a pure, I love these, pure layered fruit bars. I get these in huge boxes from Sam's. They're just fruit, kind of like fruit leather, but these are a little more grown up. I enjoy these. This is strawberry banana, happens to be my favorite. So we have snacks every month. What we also have every month, unless you opt out of it, and you can choose to opt out of it, and if you do, you will receive an extra lifestyle product if you don't need these anymore for whatever reason in your life. We receive tampons, usually 9, and pads, usually 6. So we get 15 products of both. They are both organic, and these are valued at $9. Handy to just get them in a box every month. I'm not gonna lie, super handy. We also receive the You're a Genius, usually a couple of these. They're just great for, a quick little feeling fresh cleanup, especially that time. And then each month we also receive our panties, and I am a little nervous. I'm gonna show you these, I do every month, but I will tell you, this bag is not very full of panties. I'm saying there's just not a lot of fabric involved here. Which is fine in my life. Showing them to you guys is just a little blush-inducing sometimes. But you will get 2 pair of panties each month in this cute little bag, and they have a value of $8 to $25. All right, is she turning red? She's probably turning red. Oh my goodness. So my first pair is a flat-out, old-fashioned thong. And this is what it looks like. The back is this is my first pair. Very pretty. I love the gray. It's not too dark to wear them under lighter pants. Very pretty. This is the first real actual thong that I've had. All right, and the other panty, I am blushing so hard, I feel warm. And the other panty, these are so pretty. This is what the other pair looks like. That's the front, and it's just really satiny, but the back is like shell, kind of like a lacy shell look, but it's not a full brief, but it's good back coverage. These are gorgeous. You let them know your size. They carry from small to a 3X. Sometimes I get the extra large, but sometimes if panties run small or run big, she makes the adjustment. Like this thong is a 2X. Super happy about that. So those are my 2 pair of panties this month. And I know I'm blushing, but I really enjoy receiving them because that's just one more thing I don't have to think about. And every month I get 2 new cool pair of panties. That's what we get each month. We get our snacks, our period products with the Virginia's wipes, and 2 pair of panties. Plus, we get 3 to 4 lifestyle products, which of course change every month. So right off the bat this month, we have a shampoo and conditioner by Zion Health. It's Adama, and that is what it looks like. And this says it has a $10 value and is a travel size set. They are 2 ounces each, and they have the little flip tops. But let's see what they smell like, because we've discussed it's all about the scent for me with hair products. Oh, really clean and nice. I like that a lot. Very subtle. Excellent. I don't know if you guys do this, but when I'm trying a new product, even if it's travel size, I usually try it once at my house too, because you know what you don't want to end up on vacation with? Bad shampoo and conditioner. Oh yeah, just really nice and clean. I like that a lot. These are the anti-frizz formulas, and it says it smooths dry ends, adds luster, shine, and controls humidity. It is Kanwa clay minerals, Dead Sea minerals, and organic botanicals. All right, well, I am super excited to try those. Next, we have something protected by bubble wrap. All right, we have a Magic Scalp Repair Serum. I just said this, I just did my Boxycharm. It's like I have spoken this into existence. I love hair products, and I feel like in each of the boxes we're getting now, I'm getting some kind of hair head product, and that makes me so happy because I love hair products. This is from Bad Girl Goodies, girl with a U, and it just says it is a magic hair serum with a $20 value. Shake well before use. Apply to clean, damp, or dry hair. It is grapeseed, castor oil, jojoba, vitamin E, tea tree, raspberry oil, and then it has rose petals in it, and it says added fragrance. So, and that is what it looks like. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, shake it. Almost forgot. Just read it and almost forgot. Oh, it's very nice. The tea tree is the predominant scent, and tea tree is so good for your scalp, so I can see why that's the case. Yeah, I would probably do this in the evening. I don't know that I would want my hair to smell like this all day. I don't mind the way it smells, but if you guys know tea tree, it's just a little strong and a little earthy. So good for your scalp, but an evening scent for me. Just realized I didn't have my lights on. Okay. Next I have from the same brand, Bad Girl Goodies, Boy Tears, Amethyst Yoni Refresher. What is that? Rose water infused with pure amethyst crystals, tea tree oil, and other loving ingredients. You know, your lady bits. Is that even better than, I don't know. You know, you never know with YouTube what they are okay with you saying to be monetized and what they are not. So this is a nice refresher for what you would cover with this. Are we on the same page now? Interesting. And you can see it's got amethyst crystals in it. Hydrate and calm your vibes with our rose water and real amethyst infused refresher. Natural ingredients reduce dryness and leave odors behind, keeping you very fresh. It does not say very fresh, it says fresh AF. I bet I can say that. It's just letters. Shake well and spray 5 inches away, can be used several times a day. Let me spray it on the box. Oh, it's minty. Is it minty? That's very fresh. But I wouldn't think you could put, yes, there is peppermint oil in it. That might give you a little bit of a tingle. I'm not sure. I'm very intrigued by this. Can you tell? I'm like, okay. Last but not least, we have a Face Facts Vitamin C Face Cream enriched with vitamin C, and it is vegan. That is what it looks like. You guys know I will pass this along. I can't use vitamin C on my face because it will reject and turn into a big red rash. This is a really nice size. It is 1.69 fluid ounces, and it has a $16 value. And the box says moisturize and refresh skin with the Face Facts Vitamin C Face Cream. It helps deeply hydrate and brighten skin. The perfect prep before applying makeup for an extra glow. All right, those are our lifestyle products. We got really, oh, we got 4 too. We got really nice lifestyle products. I mean, not that we don't every month, but we got the Face Facts Vitamin C Face Cream, the nice refresher, which I am not saying I won't use. I'm just saying, don't know how much I could talk about it on YouTube. We have the Magic Hair Serum, love a hair serum. The travel size shampoo and conditioner. We have all of our snacks, chips, Rice Krispie, a nice fruit bar, fruit leather type bar. Our adorable panties this month. They are very cute. Our Good Wipes and our period products, which are organic. And again, just until October 10th, and I know I'm going to be cutting this really close with getting this up, but just until October 10th, you will receive $19 off of your first box, which will make your first box $18.50 plus free shipping. It is normally $37.50, and my normal discount, I will put below in case you don't see this before October 10th, is still 30% off your first box. So it's a great deal, but $19 off your first box, you can't beat it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions about this, just let me know. If I can help in any way, I am happy to do it. Just remember that with the period products, if you don't need them anymore, you can tell them that and you can receive another lifestyle product. You let them know what size panties you want. It's just really customizable. Please like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I will see you really soon, and take care, guys.